Hello, our dear students. We are going to study lesson 6, the square root of a rational number. The square root of the number means that we multiply this number by itself. For example, if we have 5 power 2 equals 5 times 5 equals 25. Okay? So the inverse of operation of this squaring, okay, is called the square root. The symbol of a square root like that is used to denote the positive square root of the rational number. So we can only find the positive square root of any rational number, not the negative number, okay? For example, if we have square root of 25 is 5. Negative square root of 25 equals negative 5. Okay, so each of square root of 25 and negative square root of 25 means the two square roots of 25. Remark: if a over b less than 0 to be a negative number, so the root square of a over b is meaningless because we can't find the root square of the negative number. The numbers less than 0 having square root meaningless. If we have to find the square root of a over b all to the power 2, means that this is the absolute value of a over b, whereas the absolute value of a over b is greater than or equal 0. Okay? For example, if we have 1 over 2 all power 2 to find the square root of this number, so it will be 1 over 2 only. The absolute value of 1 over 2. The square root of a times b is the square root of a times the square root of b. Okay, so we distribute the square root among the number multiplied together. The second case is when we find the square root of the numbers divided. So we distribute the square root among the numerator and the denominator. So to find the square root of a over b means that the square root of a over the square root of b, such as b not equal 0. b not equal 0. Simplify the following. Square root of 16 is what? Yes. Negative square root of 4 power 2. Square root of 9 over 49. First one, the square root of 16 is 4 because 4 times 4 is 16, so the square root of 16 equals 4. The negative square root of 4 power 2 equals negative 4. Okay. The square root of 9 over 49 equals 3 over 7. Yes, because we take the square root of 9 over the square root of 49. The square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 49 is 7. Another example, positive negative square root of 40,000 is what? Positive negative 200, because 200 times 200 is 40,000. Okay. The square root of 81 over 100 all to the power 2. To the power 2 under the symbol of the square root, yes, means that we take the absolute value of the number inside the squaring. So it will be 81 over 100. The square root of 25x squared y power 2 over 36 means that we take the square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. So we get 5xy over 6, because the square root of 25 is 5. The square root of x squared y squared is xy, and the square root in the denominator of 36 is 6. Also, the square root of 49a power 4 b power 2 over 9 equals 7a power 2b over 3. Yes, the square root of 16b power 8 over 121 equals what? Well, 4b power 4 over 11. And the square root of 25 over a power 4 times a power 4 over 16 b power 2 equals 5a power 2 over 4b. Yes, the first one. 49, have the square root 49 equals 7, a power 4 equal a power 2, and b power 2 equal b. The square root of 9 equal 3. The second example, the square root of 16b power 8 over 121 equals 4b power 4, yes, over 11, because 11 times 11 is 121. The square root of 25a power 4 equals 5a power 2 over 4b. Yes,